Meet the Axolotl, nature's real-life Pokémon that literally found the cheat code for immortality. These guys are permanent babies who never grow up, and they have the most insane healing factor on Earth. Lost a leg? They'll grow a new one. Spine, brain, heart? They just regenerate it like nothing happened. Most animals get a scar. These guys get a fresh start. And they do it all while looking like a pink, smiling Muppet. Seriously, it's the happiest little monster you'll ever see. But they're critically endangered and only live in one place in Mexico. Subscribe to Criticlips for more wild animal secrets.